have lost two times to West Ham United. Two times. Not once, two times. We have lost to West Ham United this season. 16th position West Ham United. 16th. A team that is battling for relegation. We have lost to them. We have lost to them. And it's not their greatness that we lost. It's our mistakes we lost. That's what is hurting. That's what is hurting. Today's performance proved that Chelsea Football Club needs a defender. Chelsea Football Club needs a defender urgently. Was that even a set piece defending? Was that even a set piece defending? Shameless defending. Shameless rubbish defending. Rubbish. Absolute rubbish defending. Set piece defending that one was. Utter nonsense. Utter nonsense set piece defending that one was. Utter nonsense. Utter nonsense. That Rudiger is behaving like a lazy Bluto. Instead of clearing the ball, he's putting it out for the corner. And as soon as the ball arrives, that man marking was absolutely disaster. Man marking. That Azpilicueta is a Rey Mysterio. And that Czech Republic loanee of West Ham, that fellow is a great Khali. So tall he is, so tall. And in front of that, one Rey Mysterio is there. How Rey Mysterio is supposed to tackle great Khali? You tell me now. You tell me now. Man marking was a failure today. Man marking was a failure. Absolute failure it was. Then second goal also Rudiger was at fault. I think today he has taken anti-defending pill. He has taken today. He has consumed today and came out to play today. Seriously, anti-defending pill, anti-blocking pill he took. Bloody one cross he couldn't block. Bloody one cross he couldn't touch. Simple cross he couldn't touch. Light-hearted cross he couldn't touch. Free Cadbury Dairy Milk he has given to Antonio today and scored. Over. Finished. If you offer one Cadbury Dairy Milk, who will not swallow it up? Who will not goggle it up? And that's what West Ham United did. They goggled up the Cadbury Dairy Milk offered to them. Rudiger was absolutely shambolic today. Rudiger was absolutely shambolic today. And my ratings for Rudiger's performance today was -0 to the power infinity. -0 to the power infinity. Even 0 is too huge for his performance today. Rubbish performance. Shambolic, diabolical defending today by Rudiger. Horrible. Honestly speaking, it's a shame that we lost today. It's a shame we lost today. These type of opportunities doesn't come two times, especially at Premier League. So competitive it is. Today Leicester City has dropped points. We had an opportunity to go at third position. We had that opportunity. One more march forward towards the top 4. This type of opportunities doesn't come twice. It's so competitive. Nonsense, man. Ruin the mood. Ruin the mood. Absolutely ruin the mood. Ruin the mood today. Absolutely. Rubbish defending. Rubbish defending. The board has to take care of the defense of the club. They need to buy a defender. They need to buy a defender. Without a defender next season, it will be very difficult. Very difficult. This type of defending, I don't trust. I cannot trust such defense. I cannot trust such defense. Only a miracle can save this defense. Attack is very much secured. You have got the attackers. But defense is absolutely rubbish. That's it. Positive about today's match was the intent of Willian and Pulisic. Because of them only, we scored 2 goals. And we prevented one embarrassment. Or else today it would have been 3-0. That's it. Writing it here only and giving. Those two showed a lot of passion. Those two guys. Those two guys deserve something today. Strikers, nothing they have done. Strikers, Giroud, missed chance. Then that fellow also. Tammy Abraham. He didn't do anything. He didn't do anything. No impact in the match. Only Pulisic and Willian has to do. That's it. Others went in the bed. That's it. Others went napping. Nonsense. Absolute nonsense performance. Very disappointed with today's performance. This type of performance, we are beating Manchester City in 1 week, and in another week, we are coming and losing to 16th position West Ham United. Inconsistency. For that, we need a proper defense. Buy a centre back right now at least. Learn from today's match. Go for a centre back.